chairman wants all important vendor areas reviewed for value. Well, nothing is more important to this company than its information services. So the question is, which PC are we going to buy this year? Recommendations. Ben?
I think we should continue with IBM, sir.
Reasons?
Well, they aren't planning any more operating system surprises. I think it's the safe way to go.
You agree with that?
No, sir.
No, sir, what?
We should be switching totally to Compaq.
Kent, you're in charge of technical support.
They're both okay machines.
I see no reason to waste time on this. We'll continue with the old reliables. The next item.
Sir,
Something to add, Gordon.
you asked me to research the alternatives.
Are there any alternatives?
There's AST.
AST? Who uses AST?
MCI does. The Wall Street Journal does. Rockwell, Wells Fargo Bank, EDS, Nissan.
AST is just another compatible, Gordon.
Wait a minute. Why would those companies risk standardizing on a compatible?
The AST is not just another compatible, sir.
Come on.
AST Computers has its own labs, its own design philosophy. It's often ahead of other companies in introducing new technology.
Technically, he's right, Jack. AST was the first to open up the potential of the PC. They had enhancement boards on the market a few weeks after the first PCs came out. We still use a lot of their boards to get our DOS machines past the 640K memory barrier.
AST had the first micro-to-many connectivity products, the first zero-weight state 286.
Look, they're not what you'd call a large company.
And what do you call large? You can buy an AST computer in 77 countries. In some countries, AST sells more PCs than IBM and Compaq combined.
Well, I suppose if you're talking price...
Price is not the issue. We want the best machine.
Sir, if you compare the specs, you'll find AST is the best machine. Now look, take support. PC Week ranks AST first in customer technical support. IBM and Compaq last.
Well, how could that be?
There's no way Compaq isn't going to support its machines.
I don't want bickering. I want facts.
Why don't you test it?
What do you mean?
There are the phones.
I can't believe it. We bought 800 of their machines this year. They still referred me to the dealer.
No direct support. No plans for direct support.
AST Technical Support, how may I help you?
Just checking, thank you.
So you have to buy AST direct.
No, sir. We buy AST from the same dealer we're buying from now. Same everything. Just better performance and better value.
I'd like to look at an AST machine sometime.
We do have one, Jack.
In the evaluation lab?
On my desk.
So, this is the machine.
Well, one of them. AST has a complete line for every price range or performance need, all the way up to 386, 33 megahertz.
And a 486 upgrade.
Also, a line of workstations for LANs.
I didn't know AST made workstations.
InfoWorld's Network Product of the Year. They also ranked AST's 33 megahertz system #1 on the market.
Nice machine. Feels good.
Feels like it was made by people who actually like PCs, especially if you look inside the box. These people know computers all right. They put the CPU on a special processor board. You can swap the whole thing out and upgrade to the next level of performance in about 1 minute flat.
You can upgrade from a 286 to a 386?
Or turn this 386 into a 486. It's a tasty piece of engineering.
Gordon, cancel your appointments for Monday. I want you to go find out about AST.
And if you'll just sign this non-disclosure agreement.
Okay.
Where do you want to begin?
Executive summary?
Executive summary. AST is an American company that markets around the world. We pioneer the enhancement and networking products, but the biggest part of our business is high-performance PC systems. Today, 1 PC in 6 is an AST or uses AST products. We believe innovative engineering creates value.
There is an awful lot going on around here.
Well, if we come up with a new application or a better solution, we want to get it to the end user as soon as possible. Example. We have our own FCC lab. Pre-testing in-house speeds up product introductions by a couple of months. And we maintain a compatibility lab. Every design, every upgrade is absolutely checked out for hardware and software compatibility.
You make all your own systems?
All of ours. Some for other computer manufacturers. We manufacture here in the U.S., and we have high-tech facilities in manufacturing in both Taiwan and Hong Kong.
You're making a 486?
Well, sure. We worked with Intel for a year ahead of time, so we'd have the new machine. We want our customer to have the fullest range of computing solutions possible. Right now, that means being among the first to produce a fully engineered 486.
There are a lot of companies who make desktop systems. Anything that makes AST different?
Well, this company was based on adding value and performance. Our board products, our network products add value.
But with whole systems.
We know how to put more in the box, and we're faster to market with new technology, which gives our customers a competitive advantage. And there's one more area we add value. If you believe in your engineering, if you think you make a better machine, you should be willing to support that machine. So we've made a major effort to provide technical support to our customers, person to person, over the phone.
You use a bulletin board system too, right?
Well, we have customers in every time zone around the globe. With a bulletin board, you can connect anytime, 24 hours a day from anywhere, and get new product information, bug fixes, software updates.
You use a bulletin board system for software updates?
Sure, it's just another very efficient way to add value and service. Anything else we can tell you?
What's around the corner?
Work group computing solutions. AST knows compatibility, and we already sell connectivity solutions. So we're already helping our customers move towards work group computing and multi-user systems.
Thank you.
Conclusions?
We've done a thorough comparison.
Our recommendations are based on performance and reliability.
And where we think this company's headed.
It's still your decision, Jack.
I never thought I'd consider an alternative.
AST Computers, the #1 alternative for business computing solutions.